Hello everyone. Very good morning to all. So in the last class, we discussed about the variables and how the variables are stored inside the memory like that. So in this session, we learn about the type conversion and the types of conversions. So we'll see what are those type conversions, why it is important, and we will see with some beautiful examples. So without wasting time, we are moving forward. So type conversion means so you'll be having some data types in Python. It means we are having int data type, float data type, and different type of data types are available in Python. So suppose you are having integer data type. So if you want to convert an integer data type to float data type, or if you want to convert float data type to integer data type, there is there is a type conversion required. So that is called type conversion. So the type conversion is nothing but it is the process of converting the data type of one type to another. It means you are converting one data type to another data type. That is, you are converting from int data type to float data type, or either float data type to int data type. Like that, you are converting one data type into another data type. That is called type conversion. So here you see, sometimes you may need to perform conversions between the built-in types and to convert between types. So you may simply use the type name as a function. So that is the that is the line that we are seeing above. So pa- so main definition of the type conversion is that the process of converting one data type into the another data type is called type conversion. So if you want to convert one data type into another data type, if you want to perform those operations, we need this type conversion. So, and also you simply use the type name as a function. So, if you want to convert it into those type of data types, you should use type name as a function. So, whenever you use that, it will automatically convert into the required data type. And also there are several built-in functions to perform conversions from one data type to another data type. So if you want to perform conversion from one data type to another data type, there are several built-in functions. So if you want to convert from one data type to another data type, we will be having some built-in functions. With this help of built-in functions, we can convert one data type into the another data type. So we can see what are those type of built-in functions. So yes, see, int x int x of square bracket base. It means what it will do means it will convert the x into an integer. So whatever the value present inside the bracket, that value will be converted into the integer, and also the base specifies the base if x is a string. So suppose if inside the base if the x is a string, it specifies its base. So that is what the function of this. So next one, float of x. Why do we use whenever you use float of x means so whenever the x value is integer type, automatically it will convert the x into the floating point number. Next one, str of x. So whenever you use str of x, that x will be converted into the string data type, whether it is a float data type or whether x is a float data type or integer data type, it automatically converts into the string. Next one, REPR of x. It means oh, what does this function do means it converts the object x into an expression string. So whatever the object that is present over here, it will convert into an expression string. So that is what REPR of x function will do. Next one, eval of string. So what does this eval of string do means it will evaluate a string. So whatever the string that is present inside the bracket, it will try to evaluate it, and it will return an object. Next one, or a border color. So that is what the function will do. So what does the evaluate string will do? It will evaluate the string. So whatever the string that is present over there, it will evaluate it and it will return an object. So whatever the object that is present there, it will return that object after evaluating a string. Next, tuple of s. So what does this tuple of s function will do? It will convert the s. It means whether s is an integer type or a float data type or string data type, whatever the data type it will convert into a tuple. It means it will create a tuple for that object, and so whatever the elements that are present over there, automatically those will be sent into the tuple. So it will convert it into the tuple data type. Next, list of s. So whenever you give this list of s, so whatever the variables that are present in s object, those will be converted into the list. So whether it is a tuple or whether it is an array or whether it is an string, it automatically whenever you mention list of s, at that time it will be converted into the list. That is what we will see with an examples. No need to worry. Then only you can able to understand. Next, set of s. So what does this set of s function will do means it will convert as it will convert the s into a set. It means inside the bracket you are seeing s. So s means data type. It means whether the S is a int data type, whether it is a float data type or any other data type. Whenever you mention set of S means automatically the S will be converted into the set. Next, dictionary dict of day. So whenever you mention dict of day, it will create a dictionary. So after mentioning dict of day, it will create a dictionary. After creating a dictionary, it will mention the values inside over the dictionary, and also D must be sequence of key value tuples. It means whatever the value that is present inside the D, they must be type of key value pairs. Otherwise, it will not print. Next, frozen set of S. So this frozen set of S will convert S into frozen set. Next, CHR of S. What does it will do? It will contain integer into a character. So whatever the integer values that are present in X, those will be converted into the characters. Next one, unique, unique. So unique of X means what does this unique function will do means it will convert integer into Unicode character. It means whatever the integer variables that are stored in the X, those will be converted into the Unicode character. That is the thing happening over here. Next one, ordinance of x. So what does this ordinance of x function will do means it will convert a single character to its integer value. So whatever the character that is present, it will convert into its integer value. Suppose there are some variables a, b, c, d, e, f like that. So every single character have its every every single character have its value. So if you want to convert this single character into value, you need to you need to mention ordinance of x. What does this ordinance of x do means it will convert its single character into its respected integer value. Suppose the value of a is 65. So if you want to convert the value of a into its integer value, we mention ordinance of A, automatically it will convert into integer value. Next one, x of x. So what does this x of x will do means it will convert the integer to hexadecimal string. So whatever the integer value that is present over there, if you want to convert into hexadecimal string, you use x of x. Next one, oct of x. So what does oct of x will do means it will convert an integer. So whatever the integer that is present inside the x variable, it will convert into an integer. It will convert that integer value into an octal string. So those are the functions that are available, and these will be the by using those functions we can convert the one data type into the another data type. And also we have two types of conversions are there. In Python, we have two types of conversions. What are there? Implicit conversion and explicit conversion. So what is implicit conversion means? If you want to convert the so implicit conversion means automatic type conversion. It means automatically it will convert one data type into the another data type. You don't need to do manual work over here. By default, only the machine will do these type of things. Why this implicit data type means there are some situations. So in some situations, the Python automatically converts one data type to another data type. So in some situations, same data type will not work, and also we can't do that data type during the runtime. So at that particular point, this implicit type conversion will be useful if you want to convert one data type into another data type during the runtime. Manual work is not uh, useful. So this Python implicit conversion will convert the automatic variable into the type conversion, one data type into the another data type. That is what it will do here. So, so this is what. So this function will do these type of conversions. So implicit type conversion is nothing but it will automatically convert one data type into the another data type. This will be done during the runtime. That is what. So here I will show with some examples. See here. Suppose x equal to 100. Suppose if I want to convert this uh, integer type into the float type, what I will do means print float of x. Now see what will happen. So here see the integer variable is converted into float variable. How it works means whenever you mention float of x, so this x value is taking 100 here. So this 100 will be converted into the float data type, and after printing that, we will see the output as float float of the 100. It means 100.00 like that. So this is one example. We will go with another example also. Suppose y equal to 124.678. Now I am printing. Now you will see. Here you are seeing int of y. So whenever you mention int of y, it will convert the float data type into the integer data type. It means after this point, it will not print those things. Only this 124 will be printed as an output. Those after the point, it will not take any other values, and it will not print 0.678 because We are converting this float data type into integer data type. That's why it is printing as an output. And also, uh, I already we have discussed about ordinance of A. It means here we have seen, see here, ordinance of X. Ordinance of X means it will convert the a single character into its respected value. Suppose, see here, print ORD of A. Now see, it will print its respective value. A is not different. Okay, please let me make. Out of 10. So, audience of respected string of nth one, but infant. Please wait. Now see here. So ordinance of A means, it means what is the value of A means, ordinance of A means ASCII values of A. So it will print the ASCII value of A. So the ASCII value of small a is 97. That's why it is printing 97. So um, don't try to confuse. A value is 10 here. Here we are taking ordinance of A. Ordinance of A means we are asking to print the ASCII value of small a. The ASCII value of small a is 97. If you want to find the ASCII values of other variables also, print using by ordinance function. By using this ordinance function, you can able to print the ordinance values of its respective values. So this is, and also if you add string data type and integer data type means it will get string type error. It means we can only able to add integer data types only, but not string data types. So we can only able to add either string integer data type and float data type. We cannot add either string data type plus and int data type or string data type and float data type. It will give an type error. So in such a situations, the Python has implicit type conversion. It means automatically whenever you are adding string and integer values means it will give an error. But during implicit conversion, automatically it will convert the either string into integer or integer into string, and it will give the predicted output. That is what you know here. And also next one, explicit type conversion. So what is explicit type conversion means? Here it will not be converting automatically. Here user will convert one type of data type into the another type of data type. So here you see here I already shown with examples. These examples are explicit type conversions. So it means users convert the data type of an object to required data type. So suppose there is an one data type. So if you want to convert that data type into another data type, so we will automatically convert by using explicit type conversion. So by using this explicit type conversion, we can able to convert the one data type to another data type. So whatever data type that you require, you can able to convert easily. So that is what explicit type conversions. So we use some built-in functions to perform these explicit type conversions. What are those built-in functions? Int, float, string. These are the built-in functions that we will use to perform explicit type conversions. This type of conversion is also called typecasting because the user casts the data type of the objects. And also this conversion is also called as typecasting. So explicit type conversion is also known as type conversion because here user only converting casting this data type on the objects. So let us discuss one example over here. So x equal to 12. It means I have taken this string variable. Next, y equal to 22. So here I am doing explicit type conversion because if you want to add x and y means it should be both same data type. Whether y should be a string data type or whether or x should be a integer data type. So for this I am converting either you can be able to convert either x value or y value. But here I am converting this x value. So x equal to int of x. So whenever you do like this, you mention like this, it will convert the 12. It means whatever string variable of x will convert into the integer variable, and and whenever you do operation, we can able to easily see the addition of that. So now I will see here print type of x. See here what we do. Here you have seen this. So this string data type is converted into integer data type. It means we converted the string data type into integer data type in order to perform addition operation between these two variables. Otherwise, it will give an error. So let us print now. So print x plus y. So now let us see the output. Here we are seeing this output. So 12 plus 22 will give output as 34. It means x is converted into integer data type and it has taken as integer variable as 12. So whenever you perform addition operation, it will give 34 as an output. So this is the explicit conversion. And also you need to remember some key points. So what are those key point means? Type conversion means um, converting one data type into another data type. And also implicit type conversion is automatically conversion performed by the Python interpreter. It means automatically it will convert one data type into another data type, which is done by the Python interpreter. Python interpreter only it will automatically convert. Next one. During the implicit type conversion also, it will avoid the loss of data. It means there is no loss of data during this implicit type conversion. And also during explicit type conversions also, the data types of objects are converted using predefined functions by using the user. So by using predefined functions, automatically it will convert the what it will convert automatically it will convert those data types by using predefined functions. So what are those predefined functions? Int, string and float. By using those it will convert into them. And also in typecasting, loss of data may occur as we enforce the object to a specific data type. It means during a typecasting, it means during an explicit typecasting, we may lose the data, we may lose the information because we are enforcing that object into a specific data type. It means we are converting that data type into a particular data type. During that, whatever the information that is available in the before that, it will lose that data. So this is what happens. It means in implicit type conversion, there is no loss of data, but in whereas coming to explicit type conversion, there is a loss of data. So that is what you are seeing. So this is the type conversion and the uh, type of conversions. like implicit and explicit type conversions. So this is the class of type conversions. Hope everyone understood my class and everyone has understood my points. So everyone got everyone got the important points and also everyone understood some important points regarding type conversion. So 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 I hope everyone have cleared this concept and also no one have any other doubts. So if you have any doubt, please keep a comment in the comment section. I will see that comment and definitely I will respond to that comment. So don't forget to share, subscribe and like. So now I am winding up this session. So in the next class, we'll see the further topics. So thank you.